It is well-known fact in today's time that knowledge is power. However, in the world of project management, knowledge with practice is the power. The more training you receive, the better the project manager you become. Enrolling on a project management course is a common way to acquire project management knowledge. Do you ever wonder how much time does it take to get this expertise? If you are new to the learning curve of project management, you might have wondered, how much time does it take to gain the knowledge of project management? Or how much time does it take to finish a typical project management course? Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn how long a typical project management course lasts. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Choosing the right project management course, designed specifically for your need, can be one of the best decisions you can make for yourself and your company. Recently, a number of the world's leading project management organizations have taken major initiatives to enlighten executive management about the strategic importance and benefits of project management. The digital era of project management has just begun. Taking project management courses to acquire new skills has become much easier than before. You can learn project management concepts, applications, and software tools at your own pace with a wide range of online classes and training courses. With the boom in e-learning, the modality of project management education is breaking all the traditional boundaries. From project management books, videos, articles, online tools, software, apps, and online project management courses, there is an abundance of resources to help you to propel your career in the project management domain. And in this changing trend, it is critical for every project management professional to continuously keep up with current best practices and update their knowledge. So, to answer the duration of the project management course, we need to first understand the available categories of courses. Project management is a very dynamic professional field that constantly deals with various types of complex projects. Irrespective of your current position of professional journey, you will need to continuously learn new techniques and upgrade your skills. The duration of any project management course will depend on what kind of course you want to take. Basically, there are 4 categories of courses. The first one is the article series, vlog, and short video courses. Readily available over the internet. Mostly available for free, this kind of source provides you with general knowledge of project management. These types of courses usually last between 3 to 40 hours. Also, this would depend on how fast you can study, and how much time you can devote on a daily basis. The second type is certification course. These are mainly self-paced courses which can vary between 3 to 4 months duration. They are usually accredited or certified through well-known institutes, or certified organizations. This type, of course, would help you understand the project management concepts and processes. The third one is bachelor's degree. These are types of courses that are based on institute-driven curricula. They can vary between 3 to 4 years of duration. These types of courses provide a deeper understanding of project management, and help to understand the application of the project management process in different industries. The fourth one is master's and doctorate program. This type of course is meant for graduates, or bachelor's degree holders. They usually vary from 2 to 5 years of duration. This program offers research on the specific types of project management processes. Project management certification and degrees are good to support your claim of having knowledge of project management, but not enough to successfully manage projects. Projects are as specific to industries. A project in IT sector will be completely different from a typical project in the construction industry. However, the concept of project management will remain the same. That is why you will need practical knowledge of the specific industries with the expertise in project management. These certifications and degrees are good to support that have knowledge of project management concepts. A sufficient amount of practical knowledge of project work is mandatory to develop your career as a project manager. So, now you have a fair idea of how much time it would take for you to gain project management expertise. Tell me, which course you are taking to learn project management? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people and all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos.